What is machine learning? A question that sparks curiosity in many minds. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of machine learning, a field that's transforming our lives in uncountable ways. Imagine teaching a child to recognize different shapes. You show them a circle, a square, a triangle, and after some time, they start to identify these shapes on their own. Machine learning operates on a similar principle. It is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. Instead, they learn from data and improve their performance over time, just like a human would. Let's take a simple example. Consider a spam filter in your email. How does it know which emails are spam and which are not? The answer lies in machine learning. The spam filter has been trained on a large amount of data, learning to identify patterns and characteristics of spam emails. Over time, it becomes increasingly efficient at filtering out unwanted messages, all thanks to machine learning. Machine learning isn't just about spam filters or shape recognition, though. It's a vast field with numerous types and applications. There are two main types of machine learning: supervised and unsupervised. In supervised learning, the machine is provided with labeled data, much like a student learning under the guidance of a teacher. The machine is given input-output pairs and it learns to map the two, predicting the output for a given input. On the other hand, in unsupervised learning, the machine is given unlabeled data and left to discover the underlying patterns on its own. This is akin to a child learning through exploration and discovery, without any explicit instruction. Output. Machine learning is a powerful tool that is shaping the future. It's behind the personalized recommendations you receive on streaming platforms, the voice recognition in your smartphone, the fraud detection in your banking apps, and even the self-driving cars that are becoming a reality. But it's not all rosy. Machine learning also poses challenges. It requires large amounts of data and computational power. Data privacy and security are significant concerns, and there's always the risk of machines learning and perpetuating biases present in the data they're trained on. So, to quickly recap, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time. It comes in two main types: supervised, where the machine learns from labeled data, and unsupervised, where it discovers patterns in unlabeled data. It's a powerful technology with wide-ranging applications, but it also poses challenges related to data, computation, privacy, security, and bias. In a world that's becoming increasingly digitized and data-driven, understanding machine learning is no longer optional, it's a necessity. As we navigate this brave new world, it's crucial to understand the forces shaping it, and machine learning, without a doubt, is one of those forces.